The sauce I'm doing now is a pistachio and mint cream. Now just keep in mind these sauces that I've shown you all the way through, they can be used as a pasta sauce, they can be used as a gravy, you can use them as a salad dressing, or they can be eaten on their own. They're so versatile. They're really good for anybody who has dry mouth, sore mouth, dry throat, difficulty swallowing, just to have these on their own. They're such a nutritional hit, and you can change them to suit different taste changes and different smell changes. They're really such a great go-to. Right, okay, so what I have in here is about 100 grams, 80 to 100 grams of pistachios. These have been soaking for an hour in 150 mils of hot water, same as for a cashew cream, basically a pistachio cream. So pop these straight into the blender here. Again, trying not to make a mess. Keep having to change the tablecloth. That one goes down there. Right, into this one, also going to put in a clove of garlic. I have about 6 quite big mint leaves, and just you might need to taste this as you go along. You might need more mint, depends on the mint that you get, but oh, that smells beautiful, so they can go in. And going to use half an avocado as well, so I've got some really good fats going on in this dish. Here we go. Other people would do this much quicker than I could. I don't like to waste any avocado, it's beautiful. Look, it can just go in like that, really. Oh, and we need a tablespoon of lemon juice. Just rethink the lemon juice or any citrus if you're having troubles with sore mouths and mouth sores, which was my arch nemesis when I was going through treatment, along with a number of other things. Now I'm going to whiz this up first before I put the, oh actually no, we might put a bit of this in. So this is 2 quite generous handfuls of washed baby spinach. Now let's just see if we can get that going first. I tend to overstuff it and then it just sits there and whizzes around with nothing. So we'll get it going. I can get some liquid down the bottom there. We'll be right. Goes on. And start. I think, yep, that's already becoming quite thick. We can have the rest of the spinach in there. Oh, look at that colour already. It's beautiful. Let's have a bit more of this. I think I might add a bit more mint too. Just that mint could do with a bit more of a zhuzh, I think. Down there, let's have some big old mint leaves here. Let's have another bunch. There we go. That should do it. Oh, there it is. How could I miss that bright lid? Alright guys, make sure we're on good and tight. Oh, yeah, we'll probably end up having to add a bit more liquid. You can add stock into these too, just give them another layer of flavour. How good is that colour? Honestly, I can't say a bad thing about it. Unless you don't like green, like your peas and your greens, who knows. Let's have this off, have a look. Ah, that is magnificent. Now it's quite thick, so this would make a really good creamy, thick pasta sauce. You could even do some cauliflower cheese with it, but I cook the cauliflower first and just spoon this over the top and stir it through is what I would do with that. There we go. So that is the second of the sauces. It just, I wish it was a smell TV because that just smells so good, and the colour, I can't get over that. Lovely. Right, let's see what we can put that on.